Let me ask you something. When was the last time someone said something to you? Maybe a comment, maybe a look, maybe just a text that left you unread, and you spent the next 3 hours replaying it in your head. Yeah, me too. And I used to think that it meant I was a sensitive person. I used to think that meant something was wrong with me. But here is what I know now. It has nothing to do with sensitivity. It has everything to do with the fact that I had given too many people too much power over me. And and today I want to talk about how I stopped doing that. Because being cold, calm and unbothered, it is not a personality. It is not something you are born with. It is a skill. And I am going to tell you exactly how to build it. And before we go further, because I know someone is going to think this being unbothered doesn't mean you stop caring. It doesn't mean you become cold to the people you love. It doesn't mean you walk around with this energy like nothing touches you. It means you stop letting the wrong thing, the wrong people drain you. It means you protect your peace the same way you protect your phone battery. You do not let it die for no reason. And I live in Nepal, I am 25, and I can tell you that growing up, I was the most bothered person in the room. I cared what everyone thought, my neighbor, my classmates, a random person on internet. I was carrying everyone's opinion like it was my own responsibility. And here's the thing nobody tells me, which is you are not bothered because you care too much. You are bothered because you are waiting for other people to decide how you feel about yourself. Think about it. When someone says something rude to you, why does it stings? Because somewhere in you, you are waiting for them to confirm that you are good enough, that you are doing okay, that you are on the right path. And when they don't give you that, you spiral. I used to post something, a video, a photo, anything, and then just sit there, refreshing, waiting. And if the response was not what I expected, I would just start to think, okay, maybe it was bad. Maybe I am bad. And that is the trap. You are outsourcing your self worth to people who are literally just scrolling their own phone. So let me give you the three actual shift that changed everything for me. And these are not affirmations. These are not just love yourself kind of stuff. These are the things I actually had to practice. Shift number one, stop explaining yourself. I used to over explain everything. If someone misunderstood me, I could write an essay. If someone was upset with me, I could go into full panic mode trying to fix it. And what I realized is when you over explain, you are telling the other person that their opinion of you is more important than your own truth. The moment I stopped justifying my decisions to people who were never going to understand them anyway, something shifted in me. Not the right way, but slowly. Shift number two, let the discomfort sit. This one is hard because when something bothered us, our instinct is to immediately react. Text back, post something, say something. But that reaction, that is not you being real. That is you being triggered. And there is a difference. I started to practice just sitting with myself, sitting with uncomfortable feeling without acting on them right away. Give it 24 hours or some hours, and honestly, most things that felt urgent didn't even matter the next day. Shift number three, and this is very important one. Make yourself the main character of your own life. And I do not mean this in an arrogant way. I mean it in the most grounded way. When you are truly focused on your goal, on your growth, your own healing, You genuinely do not have to bandwidth to be bothered by everything around you. You are too busy. The people who seems the most unbothered, they are not cold. They're just deeply focused on something that matters to them. And I want to be honest with you because I think this is important. I am still working on this. There are still days where someone says something and I feel it. I still have moments where I want to respond, where I want to defend myself, where I want to be unbothered. But the differences between where I was and where I am now is I no longer let those moments run my whole day. I no longer let one person opinions rewrite my entire story. And that right there is what becoming unbothered actually looks like. Not perfect, not ice cold, just more rooted, more grounded, more you. So here is what I want you to do today. Just one thing. The next time something bothers you, before you react, before you text back, before you spiral, just ask yourself, am I responding from my truth or am I responding from my trigger? That one question changed a lot for me. And if you try it, I want you to come back and tell me in the comment section below because I genuinely want to know. That's it guys. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. If you like the video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if this felt like something you needed to hear today, share it with someone who needs it too. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.